this is Angie from Healthy Cast Iron Cooking, and today we're going to make some healthy spinach sauteed in our pan here. So what we do is we preheat our pan just a little bit on medium heat, then we just add a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil at the bottom of the pan. Let that heat up a little bit. Then we add a little bit of garlic. You can use fresh garlic, or you can do like I do, use the jar mint stuff, whichever's easier for you. And it doesn't take much of this. I just put probably an 1/8 of a teaspoon, just a little bit in there. You don't want to overwhelm it. Just give that a little stir. You hear that sizzle, so you know your oil is getting warm enough. I'm going to let that garlic just brown up a little bit. And then we'll start adding our spinach. The spinach we're using today is just baby spinach. It's organic. You don't have to use organic. It was on sale at our store, so that's what we got. As you know, a lot of people prefer the organic. And all you do is you just start adding your spinach leaves. You hear that little sizzle, you know your pan is hot enough. One of them's trying to get away. Give those a little toss, get the olive oil on them. And they will try to get out of your pan. See? Energetic food. Then I add a little bit of salt. You don't want to add too much because you don't want to. And you can add pepper. We really don't. One of our family members doesn't care for pepper much, so I won't add pepper today. But you can add salt and pepper. But it really is very simple. It's just olive oil, your baby spinach, and a little garlic and a little salt, and that's about all it takes. And notice how they're wilting down. As they start to wilt down, you can add more spinach leaves because you can't get them all in there first go around. They won't fit. So you just let them cook down, and then you add more. And this only takes a few minutes to cook. It's a really healthy, quick, easy, low maintenance recipe. And put some more in there. We like a lot. One thing I do to speed up the cooking and make it make the spinach wilt quicker and cook faster is I'll put a little lid over. You just find a lid that fits over your cast iron skillet and let it sit for a second, and it won't take long. And then as it starts to wilt down, see, steams it up real nicely and starts to wilt faster. And you can add some more. I think that's the biggest challenge of this recipe, is getting all of your spinach in the pan. We've had so much bad weather here, we need something green to eat. All right, let's flip it a little bit more, put some more in there. We don't want to overdo it. Although, to be honest with you, I could eat it well done or hard or not cooked at all. I love spinach. But see how it's starting to cook down? And we should be able to get the rest of our spinach in there. And now we'll just let the steam do the work for us. All right, let's take a peek at it. Give it a nice flip. I like to use tongs, but just using a spoon will work as well. Sometimes I'll use a wooden spoon or tongs, it doesn't matter. Or just a plain plastic spoon. And this is really almost done. We're going to cover it one more time and stir it one more time, and it'll be about ready to plate up and serve. You don't want to cook all the good out of it. Like I said, I could eat it that way, but it's probably healthier if we don't cook it too much. All right, let's see if it's ready. Yeah, pretty much ready. Oop, see all that steam? Can you smell it? Sending all that steam and good smelling stuff your way. So we're gonna plate up some. Super easy to do. I mean, it's Thursday night and I've got a nice healthy side dish ready to go with our chicken we're having tonight. Okay, YouTubers, you guys eat well.
If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.